What is an employment contract and do you need it? That is, if you orally agreed, you're friends and you're working together. Do you need an employment contract? My name is Mugoiri. I am the managing partner at MMW Advocates LLP, and this is a Kenyan lawyer's perspective. So, an employment contract, as I stated, is a document that sets out all the terms of your engagement. I'll break that down into what are terms. Number one, it should have your name and the name of the employer. Number two, it should have what your role specifies. That is to say, you should not be going in as the front office administrator, but then you're being made the tea lady. You should be very clear. What exactly is my role? What am I coming to do within this organization? Number three, how much will I be paid? That's extremely important. And when will I be paid? So that then you're not having haggles where you're paid on the 5th, on the 27th, on the 28th. Be clear on the terms from the get-go. As a matter of fact, one common word in terms of Gen Z common parlance is red flags. If an employer is not very clear on those terms that I've just mentioned so far at the very beginning, perhaps that's a red flag. Now, do you get annual leave? And that must actually be there. Should you get sick, how many sick days do you actually get? You do not want a situation where you're fighting with your employer as to whether you should go on leave or not. Also, what are the terms should I want to leave this organization? Trust me, you do not ever want to be in a situation where you are given such unconscionable, and unconscionable basically means very difficult terms in terms of how you want to exit the company. But better yet, should the employer want to fire you, are you going to be given 2 days, 3 days? Or if the employer doesn't want to see you that morning, you'll be told go. How long of a notice is required when you're actually being let go? And for me, those are the 5 or 6 specific terms when you're looking at this are the terms that are important to me. And you go ticking them off even as you're looking currently at your employment contract. And by the way, just to add, an employment contract is your right. Because should you part ways, and unfortunately you end up parting ways in a very difficult way, and you're trying to prove something, and it's your word against your employer's word, it becomes very difficult to prove that. It is your right to have a contract. So don't be afraid asking for one. So in the next video, we're going to speak about the termination process. Because of these harsh economic times, we know that a lot of people have been let go. But has that been fair? Has it been lawful? Has it been justified? Thank you for watching this video. Please engage with us should you have any employment questions. My name is Mugoiri, Managing Partner, MMW Advocates LLP, and this is a Kenyan lawyer's perspective.